Key feature of C#. Hi everyone, welcome back to our C# tutorial series. In this episode, we'll explore the key feature of C#. This feature makes C# a powerful and versatile programming language. Let's dive in. Object-oriented programming. C# is a fully object-oriented language, which means it supports principles like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. This makes it easier to manage and organize your code. With object-oriented programming, you can create class and objects that model real-world entities, making your program more intuitive and scalable. Automatic memory management. C# handles memory management automatically through garbage collection. This helps prevent memory leaks and optimize memory usage without requiring manual intervention. Garbage collection periodically frees up memory occupied by objects that are no longer in use, allowing your applications to run more efficiently. Rich standard library. The .NET framework provides a comprehensive set libraries and frameworks that simplify many programming tasks such as data manipulation, file I/O, and network communication. With the rich standard library and have a wealth of pre-built functionality and disposal, making development faster and more efficient. Type safety and security. C# is a strongly typed language, which means it enforces type checking and compliance time. This reduces the likelihood of runtime error and enhances the reliability of your code. C# also includes security features like code access, security, and type safety, which help protect your application from common vulnerabilities. Asynchronous programming. C# has built-in support for asynchronous programming through the async and await keyword. This allows you to write non-blocking code that improve the responsiveness and performance of your applications. Asynchronous programming is essential for developing applications that remain responsive even during long-running operations, such as web requests or file I/O. Language integrated query. LINQ is a powerful feature that allows you to query collection of data directly within your C# code. It provides a concise and relatable way to manipulate data. With LINQ, you can perform complex queries on collection, databases, XML, and more, all within the C# language itself. This feature makes C# robust and versatile language for a wide range applications. That's all. Today's video. In the next episode, we'll dive into variable and data type in C#. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.